Meyer's relation, step 1, du is equal to mu Cv into dt. Du is the change in internal energy, dt is change in temperature, Cv is molar specific heat capacity at constant volume, and mu is mu mole of an ideal gas. Step 2, Q is equal to mu Cp dt. Heat supplied in the system is equal to Cp is molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure and dt is the change in temperature. Step 3, work done by the gas is given by P into dV. dV is the change in volume. Step 3, work done by the gas is equal to P into dV, where P is the pressure and dV is the change in volume. Work done is nothing but area under the curve, integral P into dV. Vi is the initial volume and Vf is the final volume. Step 4, from the first law of thermodynamics, Q is equal to du plus W. Step 5, Q value we know already here, mu Cp into dt, you substitute here, du, change in internal energy is given by mu Cv dt, you substitute here, plus W, W is nothing but P dV, you substitute here. Then the ideal gas equation, this is step 6, Pv is equal to mu RT, differentiating both sides, differentiation of Pv is equal to differentiation of mu RT, u into differentiation of V, that is P into differentiation of V, which is dV, plus V into differentiation of u, that is P, which is dP. See here mu and r is constant, so dt. See here you have to remember that the uv formula, basic differentiation formula, d by dx of uv is u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u with respect to x. Whereas in this case we are applying partial differentiation of equation of state variables. So if that is the case, volume may be constant and all other keeping some variables constant and all other variable we are going to differentiate. That's how we have done it here. Here the pressure is constant, dP equal to 0. So this value is 0. So we will be having P dV is equal to mu R dt. So P dV is nothing but W. So in the place of P dV, which is nothing but W, you can substitute mu R dt. So this value is substituted here, mu R dt. So step 7 will be mu Cp dt is equal to mu Cv dt plus P dV. In the place of P dV, you can substitute mu R dt. Now mu cancelled, then dt also gets cancelled, and finally you will be having Cp is equal to Cv plus R. If you bring Cv this side, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This relation is called Meyer's relation. Note, Cp is always greater than Cv. Thank you.